Hey kiddos, we are going to have yet another mid-workshop teaching point. So what we're going to be talking about today is counterarguments and how to use them in your writing. So you may be wondering, what exactly is a counterargument? So a counterargument is an opposing idea to your argument. So for this essay, you are arguing that a character is a trait. So maybe someone who is creating a counterargument to you would say, oh, they're not that trait, they're the opposite. So why would you use a counter argument in your essay? It definitely makes your argument stronger. The reason why it does this is it gives you a chance to say, I understand there are other ideas out there. This is why those ideas are wrong. So if we take Chloe from Each Kindness, I think a lot of people will say, she is undergoes a huge change throughout her picture book. So if you say that she may be regretful at the end, a counter argument would say, no, she wasn't really regretful at the beginning. But if you were able to argue while she was kind of mean at the beginning, at the end she really comes full circle. So that's why you would use a counter argument, because your reader has an idea of, well, I know that this character isn't always that way. So here's some really good way to use transitions for your counter arguments. One way you could start off with, some people may think. Another one could be, some people might interpret this differently. They might argue that this passage shows not this, but that. And the last one would be, some people may suggest that this shows, but I disagree, because if that were the case, then this would happen. I think this shows, then you say your point. Counter arguments can be really tricky to use, and it doesn't always work in your writing, but I think it would be a great thing for you to try. So this was today's quick little mid-workshop teaching point. Thank you for listening, and I will talk to you later.